Now the video is all about how to set up and configure your sub-account settings in Shopify.io. So first we go to settings from the bottom left gear icon. Second is fill in your business name here, which is already existed. Then the address, you can change the address of it. Then the time zone, also the business hours. So if you want to change or update your business logo, you can just upload a logo here. And then next setup is in your profile. Click the menu here. So the third step is set up your email and phone number under respective stuff. So your email address, then your phone number. You can edit it here. Then the extension calendar if you want to set your calendar, and your language, you can set your language here. Then um, so it's also important to connect your Gmail here. This is the last step, which is configure integration of the Gmail account here. So just connect it here, then change it to update your profile. That's so just click after you edited the profile or your profile, you can just click the update profile and done.